The main difference between TQQ and QQQ lies in their performance, with TQQ generally outperforming QQQ by more than half its returns. Over the past decade, the annualized returns of the two ETFs have held this performance relation, with TQQ presenting a return of 36.36% and QQQ presenting an average annual return of 18.14%. This suggests that equal investments in either ETF over the same period will yield more returns in TQQ than in QQQ. However, when considering risk-adjusted metrics, which correlate investment returns with risks, QQQ has lower risk levels. For instance, the Sharpe ratio of TQQ is approximately 3.46, whereas QQQ has a relatively lower Sharpe ratio of about 2.99, indicating that TQQ is riskier. Volatility is another key difference, with TQQ presenting higher volatility than QQQ, often tripling it. Despite these differences, the two ETFs do share some similarities. Both can be traded on stock exchanges. Both track the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. And both are passive, aiming to replicate their underlying index as closely as possible. Ultimately, the choice between TQQ and QQQ depends on the investor's preferences, with those seeking high returns, regardless of risk, likely to choose TQQ, and risk-aware investors preferring QQQ.